Hello everyone, my name is Irfan. This is a tutorial video of converting hair particles to haircuts. Here I have a 3D head with hair particles. Now we're going to convert these hair particles to haircuts with simple add-on. I'll show you the hair particles in particle tab. Here you can see the hair fibers. Now we're going to convert this. For this we're going to preference and install a haircut add-on. So here is the add-on. Now we need to install this in Blender. So let's go to install from disk and paste the path and select the add-on file and click on install. So now we got the add-on installed. In right side panel we can see the add-on. So now select the hair particles object and click the generate button. Now it takes some time to generate the hair cards. Now it generated the hair cards and applied the hair texture automatically. Now we can disable the hair particles on the right side panel. You can see the hair cards maintain the exact shape of the hair particles, and we have the texture applied too. Here you can see in material tab, we can clearly see those hair cards are cleanly placed. You can also change the hair card size in the add-on panel. Let's do the same for the beard. Select the beard and click on generate button. Now the hair card is generated for the beard.